We're at the line for 2. One more shot, 5-2 early on. They play 4 10-minute quarters. And she missed that one. Our ball.
No ball handling.
And, oh, pop it! Oh! Now it's down low. And a foul. And we're down to the line for 2. Yeah, she should have pulled that, but we're up 5-2 and we're going to the line for 2. 2 shots. 2 shots and we're up 5-2. Sit still. 7-2. 7-2 ETBU.
Oh yeah, swing it. Get to work.
Down low. And there's a foul. Shooting 2, up by 1. 14-12 ETBU. And missed that one.
No way.
3-pointer. And it's tied. Well, actually, we're losing by 1. Excuse me. And what a layup. Good layup there. And we're up 16-15. Now another 3-pointer, and that one's off. Macy's got the rebound. Here we go, here we go. 3-pointer! Oh! 1 minute left. We're up 16-15. 1 minute left in the first. Now we're down by 11. What's up? We need to play offense and defense. That's what we need to do. Here we go. And now in the corner, 3-pointer off the rim on the ground.
Step up. There we go.
And a foul. This is going from bad to worse. 1:38 left in the first half. We're down by 11, and Concordia shooting 2. 1:30 left. We're down by 11. She missed both free throws.
That was my favorite person to play.
Come on. Down low. Driving the lane. And off the back of the rim. And it stayed in bounds. We just can't shoot. And down low, and she makes it. Now we're down by 13. 1 minute left in the first half. We haven't scored in I don't know how long. And that's off the rim. It's loose. And now running back the other way. And she makes it too. And there's a foul too. My goodness. This is so bad. We're down by 15. 20 seconds left in the first half.
Bro, that is a mismatch. Drive to the paint.
And a three-pointer. Got it! There we go. Needed that. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds. Step up. And a 1-3 off the front of the rim. The horn sounds. We finally got some points on the board after a long time without any. We're down by 12 at halftime. Still 1 half left. Down by 12. Well, no. Oh. 10 seconds left. She's still on the layup. Still 5 seconds. 3 seconds. And that's it. Didn't even get past the layup, but good try. So no five grand here this afternoon. She didn't even get off the layup, but good try. We're down by 12 at halftime. We gotta come out to play in the second half. Down by 12 at half. Here we go. We're only down by 3 now.
Just wasted our entire afternoon.
We were down 12 at halftime. Now we're only down 3. 4 minutes gone here in the third quarter. Goodness. Oh my. That's insane. That's not an and one. My goodness. How is that? And there's a foul. Going to the line for 2. Going to the line for 2, down by 3. And we missed the free throw. Yeah, we had an and one, but they said it was a foul before the shot. And we made the second one. 43-41, we were down by 12. Half, now only down 2. Wide open, and she's off. And we got the rebound. And we hit it hard off the glass. And wide open. And Concordia's up by 4. Down by 2. We did tie it at 45, but now we're down by 2 again. Down low. And Macy makes it. Tie game again. And down low to Macy. 3-pointer. Oh! Got the rebound. Down. Oh. Oh! Made the layup. There's a foul. And we'll go to the line for 2. We're in the bonus. Tie game. Down low. Oh, what a pass. 59-48. We've come all the way back. We were down by like, what, 20 at one point? Now we're up by 11. We were down at 12 at half. Now we're up by 11 here in the fourth. A mid-ranger off the back of the rim, and a foul. Our ball. We've taken over. Up by 11 early on in the fourth. We're up by 14 now.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Great backdoor feed, and she makes it. Great pass, and the layup's good, and we're up by 15 or 16 with 4:10 left. We're coming all the way back after being down 12 at half. Now a 3-pointer is off the rim. Can't can't get the rebound. And good D as we intercept the pass. Under 4 left. We're up by 16. Oh, 2 minutes left. We're up 76-58. We're up by 18. We've destroyed Concordia here in the second half. 1:40 left. Pass down low to Macy. And there's a foul. 2 shots. 91 seconds left. We're up by 18. We were down 12 at half. Now we're up by 18. 91 seconds left. And we're up by 19. Macy's been locked in here in this game, especially at the free throw line.
13, don't forget!
And we're up by 20. 91 seconds left, 78-58. We've touched 80. And we got 4 new players coming in for ETBU. We've taken over the game. Second half has been almost flawless. Final minute. Down low, and a jump ball. Our ball. We have the possession arrow. 1 minute left. We're up by 22. Played great offense and defense here in the second half. Ball's on the ground, and it's a foul. And we're going to get 2 shots. And we're up 81. No, yeah, 81-58. We're up by 23. Now 24. And a timeout. We're up by 24. Final minute. Here we go. Final 56 seconds as we're up by 24. This is garbage time. Lock her up. 3-pointer, and she made it. So it's 82-61. 21-point game. It's only a little too late though for Concordia as we come storming from behind in the second half. Absolutely destroyed Concordia in the second half. Destroyed like times 10, especially Macy. 25 seconds. 10 to shoot, so you have to do something here. Alright, it's the final countdown here at Ornelas Gym. And it'll take a shot clock violation. Concordia's ball, but it won't matter. 11 seconds, we're up by 21. And I'll be right back. 11 seconds. Won't matter what happens here. The final countdown. And she shoots a 3, she airballs. Out of bounds with 4 seconds left. Our ball. And we will pass it in. And the Tigers win it. 82-61. We stormed from behind to beat Concordia 82-61, and we're 6-0 in the season. What a second half as we come from behind to beat Concordia. Great game, great second half. Tigers win it 82-61 against Concordia. Tigers beat Concordia. Tigers win. Well guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. As you saw in the last clip, ETBU women's basketball beat Concordia 82-61. We were down, 39-27 at half, so we were down by 12 at half, and then ended up winning by, 21. So, I mean, we just dominated, almost flawless on both sides of the ball in the second half. Especially when we exploited Macy, number 13. I mean, she's unstoppable down low for the most part. And, I mean, the first half, they shut her down for the most part. But second half, she
locked in, made some layups by driving the lane, made some key free throws. She really locked in the second half, especially at the free throw line. The next vlog will be a Shreveport Mudbutt hockey game, and the next vlog after that will be an ETBU women's basketball game, which was on that Monday, November 24th, 2 days ago for me, against Linfield. So the next two vlogs will be a Shreveport Mudbutt hockey game, that'll be the next vlog, and then an ETBU women's basketball game against Linfield will be 2 vlogs from now. And ETBU volleyball, they got to the Elite Eight, which is in the rest of the tournament, the NCAA D3 National Volleyball Tournament. The rest of it is in Bloomington, Illinois, December 3rd through the 6th, and we're in the Elite Eight. So what's left is the Elite Eight, the Final Four, and the National Championship. So volleyball's 3 wins away from winning their first ever national title, as this is the farthest volleyball's ever got. They never got to the Sweet 16 before. They got to the Sweet 16, and now they're in the Elite Eight. And like I said, the rest of the tournament is in Bloomington, Illinois, December 3rd through the 6th. So I'll keep you updated on volleyball, and we'll see if they can win a ship or a championship. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, I'm not sure what you're doing. Hit it. It's a big red button down here. Make sure it's grand subscribed. And make sure the bell is ringing so you get notified every time I post a video. And you know what? I'm going to see you in vlog number 329. Vlog on. Go Tigers. And peace.